Hello everybody, we have here a Lloyd's all-tube AM/FM tabletop radio, which also has a phono input. The switch is set to phono right now. I'm going to show you, we've converted it here in our Soaring Tortoise Electronics Custom Special Custom Shop to have a guitar input where the phono input used to be. So we've placed the guitar input here. The unit also has an AC auxiliary outlet. This is an FM antenna, and we do have an antenna hooked to it. It also has one of these cool telescopic antennas. We have, for the sake of safety, since we're playing our guitar through it, converted it to a grounded power cord. The radio does have one of these funky transformerless tube circuits. However, it has an input transformer, so it is isolated from ground that way as well now, since we have the 3-prong cord on there. I'm going to plug it in. Let's open it up here again, and we'll give you a little demonstration of it. So let's turn it on. Let it warm up while I plug in our guitar of the day, which is this Partsocaster. I'm just going to insert my jack in the back. Now, the radio has 2 speakers, as you can see, but it is not stereo, it is mono. And the speakers are removable, and they can plug into those extension speaker jacks on the back. There is another jack right here. However, when they are connected to the radio, the hinges are the actual speaker terminals. So, I'm going to give it a little volume here. It's probably about 3/4 of its volume. It's not very loud when you play the guitar through it. It has a whopping 1.5 watts output, so let's see. Tone's about 2/3, and my guitar is on the bridge pickup. Here we go. Alright, now I'm going to turn up the volume all the way. It stays very clean throughout the range. So this is all the volume. Again, tone's about 2/3. Tone all the way down. Alright, I'm going to turn the tone all the way up now. Switch over to my neck pickup now. Actually play the guitar with the FM or the AM station. Unfortunately, I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit here. When we have a strong station, it's much louder than the guitar. But I found that if we plug in an electronic device to the guitar input, it balances everything out. It brings the volume of the radio down quite far. So I have here an old line 6 pod, and I'm going to plug that into the back and demonstrate how we can use it to play along with the radio. It equalizes the volume more. So I'm going to actually plug the line 6 power into the back of the radio here, and we're going to undo this cord and plug it in right here, and then we're going to plug the pod in. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate how much the pod will cut the radio's volume when we have it on. So I'm going to turn back to the radio. It's kind of annoying.
Low prices on prescription and over-the-counter medicines.
So there we've switched the pod on, and now we've gotten the volumes more equalized. And then we're able to play along at a different level. See, we've got the output level on our pod we can match with the radio. Alright, so as you can see, we can play along with the radio. The AM does work as well, different light. It's not tuned to a station right now, but I'm going to show you one more thing about you can plug in an extension speaker or a different speaker, and I'll show you that real quick. I'm going to turn the unit off. I'm going to remove this speaker. Okay. I have here in a cabinet an old Fender 10-inch CTS speaker. We have a special space age adapter here to plug into the RCA cable on the back. Alright, now you can get a little more volume out of the amp this way too with the bigger, more efficient speaker. Even songs you didn't like back in the day are fun to play along with. Thanks for watching. Lloyd, Tabletop Tube Radio. Check us out, www.SoaringTortoiseElectronics.com.